So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng email address sa ating Temu account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yun guys, for today's video, i-open muna natin ang ating Temu app or yung ating Temu account. And then, pag-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, tap lang natin yung U na nandito sa may lower part para mapunta tayo sa pinakang timeline or profile ng ating Temu. So, dito guys, tap nyo naman yung settings button na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, after yan guys, tap nyo naman dito is yung account security. So, dito sa account security guys, hanapin nyo lang yung email. And kung makikita nyo dito sa right side, merong nakalagay na edit. So, ang gagawin lang natin, para mapalitan natin yung ating email address, tap nyo yung edit. And then dito guys, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung email address na gusto nyo ipalit sa inyong current email. So, lagay nyo lang yun yung bagong email address. Make sure guys na bago lang yung email ninyo and hindi pa siya nakakonect sa ibang Temu account. So, lagay nyo lang. And then, after nyo mailagay yung inyong bagong email address, tap lang natin yung continue. And after nyo, check nyo guys yung email and magsasend sila doon ng verification code to confirm na tayo yung nagpapalit ng email address. And then yung OTP code guys is ilalagay nyo lang dito sa blank boxes. So check ko lang yung email. So open nyo lang guys yung email sa inyo. So nakalagay na OTP is 424823. So lagay nyo lang dito. 424823. So, ayan guys, your email address has been changed. So, ayan guys, napalitan na dami ang ating Temu account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng email address sa ating Temu. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And, thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.